we have learned okay about the system software. In the system software, we have done with operating system, right? So after the operating system, so we are done with language translators. Language translators are before that. So we have learned the computer languages, right? Machine level language, assembly level language, and high level language. After that, the language translators. There are three types of language translators are there. So number one, compiler, sorry, assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Okay. So today, so we'll discuss some more system software, that is linkers. Okay, linkers and loaders. So what do you mean by linkers and loaders? Okay, so once again, it is a system software, right? So we have discussed the system software, operating system, right? And then language translators, and right now it is linkers and loaders. So what do you mean by linkers? What do you mean by loaders? So ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಇದನ್ನ linkers and loaders? Where we heard linkers and loaders. Okay, so operating system is a system software, so which provides an interface between the user and then hardware. It provides the interaction between user and then hardware. So it helps us in installing all the application software. So using system software, so we can manage our all activities in computer system, right? Language translators, so are the system software again, so which translate one language instructions to other language, nothing but machine level language. Ultimately, so it should be get translated into machine level language. Why? Because the computer understands only machine level language, right? And then, so what about linkers and loaders? What about linkers and loaders? Okay, okay. Once again, it will be used in programs. Programs are nothing but high level language programming. Okay, and we have three types of programming language: machine level language, assembly level language, and high level language. And so what about C++? Machine level, assembly level, or high level? Which
High
type of
level.
language C++ is? Yes, exact high level.
High level.
C, C++, and Java. Yesterday we have discussed about machine level language, assembly level language, and also high level language. Once again, the linkers and loaders will be used in the programming language, that too high level language. Okay, so which are the high level languages? We told yesterday C
C, C++,
and
Java.
Java, right? These are the high level languages what we have, right? And then modern computers have adopted this programming language. Why? Because due to user friendly in nature, right? C++ is the basic one, and then upgraded version of the C is C++. So upgraded version of the C++ is Java, right? C was actually invented by Dennis Ritchie, the person called Dennis Ritchie, okay, in 1972, right? And C++ was invented by German Strostrup in 1980. Okay, and then Java, so it was emerged in 1990s. Okay, so it was a joint venture of Sun Microsystems. Okay, around 1990s was emerged. Okay, so all these are high level languages, and it will be adopted in modern day computers, modern computers. Okay, and all we are using now the modern computers, and we are using C++ in first and second PUC, right? The basic concepts of first PUC, so it will be in as usually, so that what we will study in the next upcoming chapters. Okay, and then so the upgrade version of the C++ is Java. So it was introduced by Sun Microsystems. So this is the basic one that is introduced by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. German Strostrup, so introduced in 1980, that is C++. Okay, so this is all about the programming language. Okay, please write down that. Okay, so I will ask again. So this person we need to remember throughout after completing until completing the second chapter. Okay, so up to second POC, right? Jarnay Strockstruck. You need to remember this person name. Okay, the second chapter only it will come. Okay, in the second POC. Okay, so we'll see. We'll look after completing the first POC, right? Okay, until completion of the second POC, you should remember this person and then this programming language concepts. Okay. Okay, clear? Right? Okay, so we'll come with the linkers and loaders now. These are the high-level languages. So these are the inventors. Okay, so which invented this high-level language, and then so it will be adopted in all the modern-day computers. Okay. Yes. So we'll go with the linkers now. A source program written in which language we use? Which language we use? The source program will be written in
high-level language.
what? No. Source program. What we'll write? What we'll write now? The source program should be in the format of language. Which language? We'll write. Programmer.
High-level language.
What?
High-level language.
Very good. Written in high-level language. HLL. High-level language. May contains so many modules or segments. Okay, so what do you mean by modules? Okay, the lengthy program can be divided into number of subprograms. Okay, to make the program very easy to write and also understand. Okay, the prolonged programs can be divided into number of subprograms. Okay, that is what we call a modules or segments, right? Okay, so for example, I'll write here the program code like this. Okay, so the program has been written in so many segments. Segments, nothing but modules. Okay, so it is easy to write and easy to understand also, and then we can rectify the errors also. Whether the program coding may contains errors, so we can easily rectify it, and then we can easily run the program, right? It is also easy to understand and then easy to write. Okay, both easy to write and then understand, and also we can easily rectify the errors. So we'll write always the lengthy program into sub programs. We will divide that lengthy program into a number of segments, nothing but modules. Okay, right. This makes programmer to write and programmer easy to write and understand. The coding nothing but writing instruction. Writing a program is called coding. Okay. Next, the modules linked properly and various library segments. Various library segments included. So the execution of program is sequential. This performed by a software called linker. Okay, so just write it in capital letters. Right? A source program written in higher language, it may contain so many modules because the lengthy program can be subdivided into a number of subprograms. Modules or segments we can call. This makes the programmer easy to write and then understand the coding. Whatever may be the coding or program will write in the high level language, that is C++. So it makes programmer easy to write and then understand. Okay. The module is linked properly. These modules are linked properly and various library segments included. So the execution of the program is sequential. Sequential nothing but serially it will execute. Okay, so first this program will execute, after this coding. Okay, so serially we can execute the programs. So you can't tell you.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Is it clear, Impana? To you also?
Sir. No, sir.
Can't tell. ಈಗ
ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬೋರ್ಡ್? ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎರರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so it was clear actually. Okay, the module linked properly and various library segments included so that the execution of the program is sequential. Say it orderly, it executes the program, and then finally this will happen with the help of the software called linker. Okay, so we call it as a linker. Okay, it links the module to the library function. Okay, so we have certain library function hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, hash include string.h, hash include mat.h. Okay, so we have several okay, Nisha nane set ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir. Now clear.
Okay, so right.
Sir, now
Okay.
it's clear.
A source program written in high-level language, whatever the instruction will write in the high-level language, so that will be divided into number of subprograms. To it becomes so easy to understand and then easy to write. Okay, so the module, these modules can be linked properly to the header files, or we can also call it as a library segments. Library segments included the execution of the program in sequences, so it makes sequential execution of the program. And this was done by the software called linkers. this software will be called as linkers. It will links to the library function. Okay, whatever the instruction we are writing, okay, that will be so linked to sequentially to the programming. Okay, so it makes very easy to write and then easy to understand. So you can write any n number of modules in the C++ or any either C or C++ or Java, any high level language you can manage with this. Okay, so the software we support to link the programming code with the library function. Okay, programming code with the library function. So that software is called linkers, and it is very essential while writing and also understanding the programming code. Okay, it makes very easy to write and then understanding the programming code in the computer system. Okay, so we are dealing with the high level language. Only we have used the either C, C++ or Java. Okay, so this software is known as linkers. Okay, please do write on this. Okay, linkers. Aita.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Next, loaders. We'll discuss loaders. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಸೊ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಲೆಂತಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ easy to understand, and also you can rectify the errors and you can run the program. Okay, is that clear everyone? Artha aita?
Yes,
Next, hey, loaders. Next, we'll discuss the loaders now. Okay, the output of linker is single program. Output of linker is single program, right? Okay, single program. Okay, so many segments, many modules can be linked together for execution. Okay, the output will be a one program. How that? Right? ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ 4 ಜನ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ 4 ಜನನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 4 ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾರ್ದು? ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈ 4 ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? 4 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 4 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ನಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 4 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ 4 ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ? ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ನಾನು 4 ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ I will unite all the 4 segments and I will make it as a single program. Yes? Can I make that using linkers? And then I'll execute as a
Yes, sir.
plan. Is that clear? Okay. Yes. Okay. The output of the linker is a
Yes,
single
sir.
program. So which includes which includes modules. Modules nothing but segments. Segments and entire library that required for execution. That is required for execution. Okay. The linker is responsible for generating executable program. Once the executable program is generated, once the executable program is generated, it will have to be loaded to the where it will be loaded, where it will be stored. Okay, see here, the output of the linker is a single program which includes the modules, segments, and also library functions, library segments. Totally, it will required for the execution. So it links and then it will executes. Okay, into a single program. Okay, the linker is responsible for generating the executable program. Okay, so this becomes the executable program. Once executable program is generated, where it should be stored? Okay, the program modules and then library function has been linked together and it generates the executable program. Linker links the modules and then library function. It's get ready to execute, right? Executable program is already there. Once executable program is generated, it will have to be loaded to the where? It will be loaded where it should be stored, both the program module and then library function. Where it has been stored. Early store agregator. Where it should be stored, right? ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Where it has been stored?
Monitor.
Monitor. Monitor is a display. Second chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ರಾ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಅದು.
Storage unit.
Which storage device? All our activity will be stored. ROM, Sanjay, Mr. Sanjay. ROM stores the permanent programs. Okay, so it will be programmed during the manufacturing itself. Okay, when the manufacturing of the ROM occurs, okay, then only it will be programmed. And we are writing the program through high-level language. Okay, linkers which connects all the modules and the library functions together for execution. Okay, our problem has to solve. Okay, 4 segment I have considered, I have distributed to you, and then I will unite that and it becomes an executable program. So this links to the using linkers software. Okay, all the executable statements will be linked with the help of the software called linkers. So once it has been get executable program, then it will be loaded to the and it will be stored in where it has been stored. Now ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? Yes, of course, storage device ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? In which part? It will store.
Memory.
Which memory? Which
Prime-
memory?
Primary.
Primary memory. What is the other name of
Primary memory.
What is the other name of primary memory?
Volatile
Answer me
memory.
that. We can also call primary memory can be also called volatile. Okay.
Temporary
Okay.
memory.
Apart from that,
Main
very
memory.
good, Pawan. Mr. Pawan, very good. Okay, loaded into the main memory. Okay, loaded to the main memory. Main memory of the computer. So it can be executed. So it can be executed. This operation is performed by this operation is performed by system software called loader. Okay, linker ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೋಡ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವೇರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ that into the main memory, right? Executable program ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? main memory ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. main memory is nothing but ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ main memory ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು?
Memory.
primary memory is also known as
Primary memory.
memory.
Main
Okay.
memory.
Yes, main memory. Why? Because it can communicate directly with the CPU, right? So we call it as a main memory. So this is also known as primary memory. We can also call it as a primary memory. Okay, of the computer can be executed. This operation performed by the system software called loaders. Okay, it loads the executable program to the main memory. Okay, and final output of the executable program can be viewed, can be seen on the monitor. Okay, monitor never stores any data. It only stores the processed data, okay, at a moment, and all the data will be stored in the computer memory. Okay, either in primary memory or secondary memory. Right now, the executable program will be stored in primary memory, or we can also call it as a main memory. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, so this loading operation will be performed by the system software called loaders. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Please write on that. Linkers and loaders.
Sir, downside not visible, sir.
Yes. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Due to network error, I think, Impana, just you check it out. Okay, you can exit and then you can rejoin. Okay, link will be there, so you can rejoin again. It will be clear.
Sometimes it will be clear, sir. If you talk something, the board goes blur.
Okay. Okay, the last concept in system software, that is utility program. Okay, finished. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the last concept in system software is utility software. Okay, so what do you mean by utility? And I have given example also utility software. Utility software ke nanu examples kuda kottidde. So what about utility?
Usage of something.
Utility software is again, once again, is a system software. So it is required by the computer system. So the computer system itself demands this. Okay, you should install this computers by default. Okay, so utility software or the softwares, the system software used to maintain, process, and to protect or safeguard the computer system. Safeguard the computer system, right? Right? The system software is used to maintain, process, protect, or safeguard the computer system. Such softwares are called utility softwares. Okay, so I have given example of antivirus, right? Antivirus, right? Antivirus na example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? Right? What the antivirus software will do? It will protect the computer system from threats,
from
malware,
infecting virus.
or external threats, right? So it is coming from either manually or it may be automatically. So while browsing the internet, okay. So not only manually. So pen drive na ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು storage device ನ connect ಮಾಡಿನೇ virus ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Internet browse ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ network virus ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Yes or no? The network infection may get catch with the internet also, right? Okay. So backup, right? If the operating system has been get corrupted, so you can take up the backup of the data that is needed by you. So it's so if you want it, you can get it back, even though the system get corrupted. Okay, so backup. And then recovery softwares. Recovery softwares and also text editors. Text editors means, so you know this Notepad, WordPad, use that in Windows accessories. Notepad, WordPad use ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ? Windows accessories ಅಲ್ಲಿ paintbrush, Notepad, WordPad ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? Calculator ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೊ ನಾವು Windows accessories ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ Notepad ಮತ್ತೆ WordPad ನ text editors ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ Notepad and WordPad. Okay, I will show you this. ಈಗಲೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ Notepad, WordPad, Windows accessories ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Okay, text editors and then compression utilities. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ compression utilities ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. Compression utilities ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 25 MB ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಫೈಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು 3 to 4 MB ಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಜಿಪ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಗೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಜಿಪ್ ನ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಲಗೇಜ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ನಾವು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ compression utilities. You can compress your file size and then you can send very easily, right? ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಪೆನ್ಡ್ರೈವ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಜಾಗ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು 5 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ 500 GB ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ 100 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ 3 ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 150 100 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, 150 200 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನ ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೊ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ 4 ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್. 4 ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ 4 ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 3 ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, CDE ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 4 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ CDEF ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಡೇಟಾನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಡಿಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್, ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಂಟಿವೈರಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಕವರಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟಾನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇರೋಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೇಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಚ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರಿಕವರಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ, ರಿಕವರಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ CD ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಒನ್. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು CD ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು 200 MB, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ. ಈಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಈ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ CD ಎರಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೊಸ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸೊ 2 CD ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ವಿತ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ರೈಟ್. ಇದನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ರಿಕವರಿ CD ನ ಹಾಕಿ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎರೇಜ್ಡ್. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ, ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ SD ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ, ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ, ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ your smartphone or electronic gadget, or it may be a computer, right? And then backup, you can take the important information as a backup, you can take it back. Okay, so if the system, even though the system has been get corrupted, so your important files and then folders can be get back. Okay, is that clear everyone, right? Usually the recovery software is used to maintain, process and then protect and safeguard the computer system. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Artha aagta idea?
Sir.
Artha aagta idea? Right. So today we have discussed linkers and loaders, right? Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss with the functions of operating system, right? Is that clear? Ivat madid artha aita? Any doubts in this session? Is there any doubts in this session? Ee session alli enadru doubts idya? Enadru idre kelkoli. Linkers, loaders matte so utility software ashte madodu. So this we have finished with the system software. System software nalli operating system, language translators, linkers and loaders ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು utility software. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ next class so we'll discuss the functions of operating system. ಓಕೆ, ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಟಾಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಟಾಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾಳೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ask the doubts, otherwise so I'll wind up the session. Okay, bye everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Bye.